Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project. It is 4 rows repeat pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 18 plus 5 extra stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. And if you like my video, then please hit the like button and share my video with your friends and in your groups. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration, I have cast on 23 stitches on my needle, 18 plus 5 extra stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, knit 1 stitch. After this stitch our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, friends, in starting we will form a mockable of 3 stitches. So therefore we will drop this third stitch over these 2 stitches. So drop the third stitch, this one, drop third stitch over 2 stitches like this, then knit 1, yarn over and knit 1. Here 1 stitch is decreased and with the yarn over that stitch is balanced here. After that we will yarn over like this, yarn over and purl 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6, purl 6 stitches, then purl 3 stitches together, 1 2 and 3. Purl these 3 stitches together, 1 2 and 3. Purl 3 stitches together like this. After that again purl 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and yarn over like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is, first is a edge stitch. So after that pattern will be start, and the pattern is first drop a third stitch over 2 stitches, then knit 1, yarn over and knit 1. After that yarn over and purl 6 stitches, purl 3 stitches together, purl 6 stitches and yarn over. At the last I have 4 stitches. So to balance the pattern we will form a mockable here like in starting. So drop the third stitch over the 2 stitches, drop this third one over these 2 stitches like this, and in the same way knit 1, yarn over and knit 1. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Second row we will purl all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches from here to here. Third row, knit 1 stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3, then yarn over and knit 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, knit 6 stitches. Now friends, here 3 stitches, so drop this third stitch over these 2 stitches like this, and now knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop. So knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. After that knit 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and yarn over. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Last I have 4 stitches, so knit 3, 1, 2 and 3 and knit the edge stitch. Fourth row, we will purl all the stitches in the fourth rows. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready. When we repeat these 4 rows, we will get a pattern like this. We will repeat these 4 rows until the desired length of our pattern. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.